just thought I'd do a little tutorial about Instagram on a desktop and how you can actually post. Now, if you noticed on Instagram, different to a mobile device, we have no plus button, which means we cannot post to Instagram on our computers. But there is a way around it, so I'll show you. If you go up here and you right click, go down to inspect, and what happens is this comes up. Now, just a little heads up, if you look up here, you will actually see there are 41 issues. If you ever get a phone call from a scammer saying that there is a virus on your computer, this is where they will more or less take you to show you that you've got errors on your computer. Don't worry about it, they have to be there. There are errors. Okay, so don't get fooled by any scam artist trying to do that to you. So, the first thing you want to do is we've got this little icon here. Now yours should be set to that. But what you need it set to is that, basically. And you want to be able to make sure that you can do this. So I'll do it as I come into it. So I click. Now what I'm going to do next is go up here, refresh the page, and if you've noticed now, down here, we have a little plus button. Now if I just get rid of this at the side, and here is our plus button that we have now on the desktop. So if I was to click that, and it wants me to select a photograph, so I select that. Now what you do need to do is you need to go down, because that's a zoomed in image. So if we go down like that, and then we go next, we can then write a caption about it all. Okay, and that is basically how you do it. So once you've written what you want to put, you would then go over here and click share, and then that would instantly enable your post to be going on your Instagram from your desktop computer, which is something I do a lot, because I like to post my videos when I've done them on Instagram. It is a bit of a pain of a way to do it, but all my pictures are on my computer, all the details of everything is on my computer and not on my phone. The reason for this is Instagram is based for phones, basically, so it's only designed really to upload photos you've taken on your phone. So I hope you like this tutorial. Gives you a bit of an insight on how to do things, and I'll see you next time. So take care and bye for now.